Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss about the financial frauds. So, any frauds that happens by with the help of which has money involved in it, where there is a financial loss for the person, that is considered as financial frauds. ಯಾರೇ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So in India, there are some common financial frauds which happens through the use of cyber. Cyber ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Let us look into it. And this is also one of the important question for your examination. First one is phishing scam. So what is this phishing scam? Is sending the fraudulent emails, deceptive emails, which contains the malicious links. Once a user click on that links, they will ask certain login credentials of that person or some personal details of that person. So if that person enters all those credential details such as bank details, anything, PAN number, again there will be a chances of losing the money in his bank account. So that is phishing scams. The next one is online banking frauds. So what they do is they will target certain online banking accounts where they will make the unauthorized fund transfers, or they steal the sensitive financial information like UPI pin or credit card, debit card pins, everything. So there are many different ways to do this. They may use malware, means they may insert spyware also to secretly collect the information, or phishing by sending deceptive mails, and social engineering by brainwashing the humans and getting the information from them. So this is online banking fraud. Next is credit card fraud. So when you are going to purchase any items and you pay by using your credit card, there if anyone uses that credit card details, they take the credit card details and use that to make the unauthorized fund transfers, or they may take the sensitive data in that credit cards. So all these things can be considered as financial frauds. Next is ATM skimming. So this happens when like installing skimming devices like fake keypads on the ATM. So when you press that keypads, your fingerprint, they will check your fingerprints. With the help of your fingerprint, they will get to know your pin, 4-digit pin code. So later again, they'll loot all the money in your account. That is ATM skimming. So they even in this also they make certain unauthorized transactions. So it is also considered as financial scams. Next is ransomware attack. So what they do is they lock your bank accounts, or they may hold your money or something. They may hold your credit card. They may take up your debit card or anything to that matter. So they may encrypt a victim's data. They will encrypt your data. So then they will demand a huge ransom. So until and unless you pay that money, you will not get your decryption key. ಸೊ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟಾ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೆವಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅವರು ಡಿಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರ್ಯಾನ್ಸಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್, ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಕ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ plans, fake investment websites, fake stock markets, or fake real estate business, everything. So making the victims to invest money and then looting of the money, that is investment scams. So or someone will tell that if you invest in this particular plan, you will get a very high return after 6 months. So they will provoke the victim to invest in those schemes. So later on when some time passes, again they will go like scammed. So they will all the money they will lose. So again that is one of the financial fraud. Next is mobile wallet fraud. So what happens is you will link certain bank accounts to your mobile wallet, where from the bank you will transfer some money to wallet, and from that wallet you will pay to another person. So with this mobile wallets, they will have an unauthorized access and take up all the money which is there in that particular wallet. So this is again it is considered as financial frauds. Next is insurance frauds. So what happens is on behalf of you, someone may take the insurance claims or submitting the false information of faking accidents. The accident only wouldn't have happened, but making creating a situation where you prove that the accident has happened and you will take a false claim. That is also one of the financial frauds. Next is online auction fraud. They will do the auction mortgages online, fake mortgages, fake auctions. So they will ask you to pay the down payment, and you pay certain amount, some lump sum amount as down payment, and again the website only will be not available for you. So this is also one of the online scammers will do this particular method. So again, this is also one of the financial fraud. Next is loan and credit card application form. So someone will tell that they will provide you the loan at a very feasible interest rate. So you will apply for that loans or even the credit cards, okay, by someone else identity. So that is second case. You will use someone else identity and you will take the loan. So suppose I am taking loan on in the name of some other person and I run away. So all my debt will be should be returned. The amount should be paid by the victim in whose name I would have taken. That is also one of the financial frauds. ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಯಾರ್ದೋ ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ನಂದೇ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅವ್ರು ತೀರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್. Next is advance fee frauds. So for example, in any of your big apartments you want to see and you want to block the seat, so you have to pay the basic blocking amount, or it is also known as advance fee. So after once I receive this registration fee or advance fee, they will run away. So your money is lost. Again, that is also one of the financial fraud. Next is data breaches. So the big financial institutions, the banks, books of accounts, they'll steal the data, everything. They will manipulate the books of accounts of bank. They will delete the data of banks. That is also considered as financial frauds. This is all about the financial frauds, various financial frauds that can be found in India. Hope you have understood this video very well. If you have any doubt, you can put your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. In my next video, I'll cover about the social engineering attacks. So in my next video, let us discuss about the social engineering attacks. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.